Now we are changing the default administrator password for EC2 instance that we created. I have changed the set the new password for the EC2 instance. So going forward, we will not able to log in into the EC2 instance using ppk file. So we need to document this password somewhere else. Password has been set. Now let's try to access the machine with the default password. We have already downloaded. Oh, it is not working because we already changed the default password. Now let me try to log in into the EC2 instance by new password which we set manually. Yes, it is working. How to reset the manual password if we forgot that? So let's see. This is this is our EC2 instance app one. So in order to reset the password, there are two three different methods. Today we are saying like, we are going to check first method, that is online method. Online method is nothing but without detaching volume from this instance or without stopping this instance, we can reset the password. Let's see how to do that. First of all, in order to reset the password, we have to create the role. So let's check how to create a role. We need to go to the IAM service. Okay. Under user access management, there is a role option. Okay. Actually, I already created role with the name of password reset. You can name anything like for that particular role. In that password reset role, you have to give the permission, certain permission. Okay. So you can write down this permission like Amazon EC2 read-only access, Amazon EC2 role for SSN, and Amazon SSN full access. These three services we need to assign to this role. Okay, this service is not necessary to assign, but these about three services are necessary to assign. From here, like once you created the role, from here you can attach the policies permission to this role. Okay, so once you create a role with name password reset, you can name it anything. We need to attach this role to the EC2 instance for which we need to reset the password. So you can go to the EC2. Okay, I guess from same window you can also you'll able to attach the role to the EC2. Let's check instance. Suppose this is the app one where I need to attach the role. Okay, so how to attach the role? Go to the action in security, modify and role. Click here. Okay, so here I already assigned this role. So if you create once you create the role, you need to search the same name here like password reset and update I am role. Okay, click on update. So after updating assigning role, where you can find out whether role got assigned to the instance or not. How to check? You can check it here. Once this is the instance where we assign the role, click on the security. One second. Security details. Yes. So I am role password reset is assigned to the this particular instance. Okay. Now, now we need to go to the system manager. System manager. You need to search. You can search here. System manager. Here under nodes tool, there is an option to run command. Okay. Click on run command. Now here we wanted to run the command to reset the password in rescue mode. So search here rescue. One second, what's happened? You can click run command and after that, yeah, search rescue. Okay. So this particular you can remember the name of this command like AWS support run EC2 rescue for Windows tool. Okay. After checking this, like selecting this command, what action we need to perform on the on EC2 instance? It is reset access. Okay. So don't make any changes here. Now we need to choose instance. Okay. So here we need to choose app1 as we wanted to reset the password for app1. Okay. Now I'm not making any changes here. Now I'm running the command. Okay. So command is getting run. Okay. Let's wait for some time. Sometimes it takes like 2 3 minutes to run the command. It is still in progress. If you want to check history for this particular run command, you can click on run command. Okay, and check here. Like this is the current command that is in progress running. If if you click here, you can find out the history. Okay, so and as per my observation, if that command gets failed or something, you can try to run the command like update SSM agent. I guess it is required to our like before running any command on the remote command on the EC2 instance to update the SSM agent to the latest version. So if that rescue command gets getting failed, you can choose the option to update SSM agent on the EC2 instance. It is still in progress. Okay, it got successfully. Like you can check here, command history. We run this command, okay, and it got success. Status is success. Now from where we will get our password that we reset. So If you go here under application tool on the same AWS system manager, there is an option like parameter store. Going to click here, okay, and of in my parameter, you need to click here, and under this parameter details, show decrypted password. This is nothing but our new password for that instance. Let's try to check whether we are able to access the instance with this new password. Okay,